Annyeonghaseyo.
We are finally going to Japan.
Yes, guys.
Exciting.
Today is the final day that we are leaving Korea, Busan. We are right now at the Busan International Terminal port. So we're going with the ferry to Fukuoka. And we just left our apartment like 2 hours ago. Took the bus from Haeundae to the ferry station. And we just checked in, had the immigration. And everything went smoothly. Now we are waiting for our ferry, our boarding, and we are super excited.
We are super exciting. Oh my god.
Yeah, we can't wait. No,
it's so a dream.
It's unbelievable that we are now going to Japan, because Japan is our dream country to visit.
Waves are crashing on the shore. Golden sands, I long for more. The salty breeze, a sweet embrace underneath the sky.
Guys, we just boarded the ship and the ship is really cool.
That's so nice.
Looks so sporty and sexy. They have a locker room here where you can put your baggage, which is really cool. So everything is organized, and now we are inside floor 1. So you have floor 1, which is the classic type of seat, and then we have second floor for business class. And it seems that they have a cafe and a bar also, and seating area and lounge. Konnichiwa. 42A. They also have service. They help us finding our seat. Yeah, super excited, guys. Arigatou gozaimasu. So guys, after finding our seating place, we just packed out our kimbap, which we ordered from Haeundae. And
it's super delicious. We ordered many times there. Yeah. And the
I think
owner
it's
is so
important to
cool.
bring some food to the ferry, because they have only snacks, so you might get hungry if you don't have anything. So we have 2 kimbaps, and we will check also what kind of food they sell here. Maybe they have some delicious
some Japanese automatic, some drinks.
Drinks, but food we have to check out if they have something.
Okay, let's eat something kimbap.
We just left the port of Busan, guys, and we are checking out the ferry. They have a bicycle parking lot here, so if you're coming with a bicycle you can park it here. Also they have a duty-free shop where they sell some Japanese products and souvenirs. On level 2 you can also go outside. There's a smoking area, and more importantly, here you have a beautiful view and you can enjoy the ride from outside, guys. Now we are on the sun deck, guys, level 3. Didn't know that we can also go there. I thought it's only for business class, but you have here also some seating places, and you can go outside and walk around the boat. So come, let's check out the outside area of this deck. This is even better, guys. Wow. kimbap, but we also wanted to try the food here on the ship.
Yes.
So we
We
Where-
have some pizza.
yeah, we
here.
ordered a pizza
I think the
because
margarita pizza.
Yes.
Yeah.
because we wanted to have pizza and it's a long time ago. So let's try the pizza here.
Okay. It smells good. Really.
It smells really good.
Really, really
You
good.
try first.
Okay, I can. Okay, I try first. And so good. Tomato sauce.
Yes.
So delicious. Wow, I missed it. It's good.
Really good. Yeah. The taste is really good. The texture is a little bit soft. I mean, they don't have a pizza oven for sure, but the pizza still really tastes really good.
Yeah. Yeah, we paid for that
1,200 yen,
yen. Yes.
around about $8. And so far the ride is great. The ferry is really clean, and there are so many empty spaces here. So many seats that I think maybe 40 or 50% only booked.
Yeah.
So
There are more, I think, Japanese people there book. A little bit also Korean people and also
but many-
German people.
many seats are empty, so you have a lot of space. You can also change the seat and sit somewhere else, but so far we just walked around 1 hour because we were so excited to watch the sea, the ocean, the waves, and to take a look, explore the ship. Sadly, we cannot go in the business class; it's closed only for
Yeah.
business class guests for sure.
Yeah,
but we
yeah.
could take.
You should
A
take
small-
a card, like I think.
You need
the
a business
code-
card,
yeah, a code
booking.
card.
But we could see a little bit from outside when they open the door. They have really big and comfy seats. So, but yeah, we are also really surprised about the economy class, which is also really good. There's also plenty of space for each
It's
seat.
really clean everywhere.
Super clean, and
yeah.
so far a really good adventure and a really good experience.
Yeah.
Not going by plane, and the ride takes about 3 hours and 40 minutes. Oh
We
guys,
are
we finally arrived.
Yeah,
super happy.
Fukuoka, so
We are
happy.
in Japan, yes, and
Oh my
still
God.
can't believe it.
Yeah,
And
the people are so friendly.
yeah, super polite,
and,
super friendly,
polite
helpful,
so
and
helpful. Oh my
everyone
God.
greets you here, and yeah, so
Yeah,
now we are here. I
Yeah.
cannot believe it.
believe it. Yeah, that's so amazing. Really,
Yes.
so crazy that we are here.
We are super happy, and now we gotta find our way to our apartment. So the ferry ride was really cool, really smooth, really
Yeah.
a cool
experience.
cool
also.
experience.
Yeah.
Yes, and yes,
For me, it was the first time that I
with the ferry.
with the ferry. I never was in
Yeah.
the ferry. That was really for me a deluxe.
Yes, and we are just super excited. So super
Super happy.
happy that we've made our way to Japan,
Yeah.
and now
And now we
let's gotta find
let's
our
find
way
our
to the apartment.
apartment.
Seagulls soar above the waves. Lost in time, my heart saves. Footprints washed away by night in the moon's glow. Everything feels right. Oh, the ocean calls my name. sing.
Guys, we are in Japan. We still can't believe it. Now we just checked in our apartment and we are really exhausted, but we are still super happy.
Yeah, we walk a little bit. We drive with the bus.
It was the bus first from the port, from the ferry, and then we changed to the MRT station, from that to the train, and then we had to walk like 15 minutes, and we just
It was really hard.
checked in, and now we are at Lawson, the convenience store, to get some drinks and food,
Yeah.
and then we just gonna plan and inform ourselves for the next days. And
yeah, and we are really happy that we
we are super happy
arrived
to
here.
be in Japan now. And yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and subscribe, and see you in the next one.
Okay, bye bye.